What's up, everybody? I've got a good one for you guys today. My name is Kevin Bell. I'm a full-time police officer, husband, and dad of three. I start, buy, and scale businesses, everything from self-storage to lawn care, in order to change the financial trajectory of my family. And like I've said before, I don't need you to like or subscribe to this. I just ask you to do one thing. Just follow along with me. As I learn to do things, I will teach you everything I know. The best way to do this is to follow along on my newsletter. I just want this to be easier for you. So today, I don't know if this is a good idea that I share this with you. I might get kicked out of the Google Sheet, but I'm going to share this with you anyway because I think it's super cool. So I'm going to start off by saying I'm a huge fan of Chris Koerner. He has been there, done that, and he is currently doing it. So with that said, I am using one of the tactics that he shared in a newsletter, right? So this isn't like a secret tactic. He shared this in a newsletter. I'm using one of what he's shared, one of the things he shared, leveraging it to kind of do the same thing because it's really cool. But I'm piggybacking off of him to do it. So let me show you the newsletter. This was the newsletter number 59, where he talks about how to kind of create this like super Reddit ultra community that he's able to leverage and do some cool things with. So with that said, the 10,000 foot overview is he has a whole bunch of zaps set up. So he uses Zapier, and what he does is he connects it. And again, this is all in the newsletter. I'm just summarizing it for you. So he connects it to Reddit with the search query of, and in this case, he's talking about landscaping businesses, but what he actually does is he connects it to a search query for business ideas. Actually, I think it's just ideas, and there's some specific parameters on that. So he creates the Zap, connects it to the Reddit. The trigger is to find Reddit posts or comments matching the search for ideas, and then what that does is it copies that post and it sends it to the connection that he has with ChatGPT. And he uses this exact prompt. ChatGPT creates a response based on that post. So there's an original post. It transfers over to ChatGPT. ChatGPT, based on this prompt that he has in there, creates a reply to it. And then that reply and the post get sent to this Google Sheet, right? So this is the Google Sheet that he shared. He shared this Google Sheet in the email right there. So how's this for transparent? Boom, he shows the Google Sheet, which is awesome. Just another cool thing about Chris is how transparent he is, okay? So the original post gets posted. The Zap finds the post because it's based on the search query, the parameters that he set. That post, the verbiage, the language in that gets sent to ChatGPT. ChatGPT creates a response. The response is generated based on the prompt that he gave it, and then the reply right here, the reply gets posted along with the other information about that specific post into this sheet. So from there, manually, all he has to do is take the reply, click on the post, copy that reply, and paste it on the post. And what he's doing is he's trying to get traffic from that original post and that subreddit in order to bring them into his subreddit, Business Ideas. And it's been working. He started it on 11.5. He has 370 members. It's growing. It's working. And what he can do from here, from this subreddit that he created, is anything, right? So now he owns this subreddit. In his words, he says he can be the judge, jury, and the executioner on this, which is super cool. It's infinite what you can do from this point. So I thought, man, that's awesome. I want to do the same thing. I'm not as familiar with Zapier as he is. I created a few different Zaps. It kind of worked. I was able to get one to transfer, but then there was some errors. I don't have the paid Zapier membership. Something was going on. It just wasn't working. I'm sure I could tweak it, but I was spending a lot of time spinning my wheels on it that I didn't need to be. But then then I realized, hey, this already exists. He's already doing it. He shared this information with us. I'm going to leverage that. So what I did, I have a few VAs. My main VA, she's on this. This is what we're doing. With this spreadsheet that he shared, because he was so generous to share this, we go into the original post, copy that post, the verbiage of that, go into ChatGPT using the prompt, it's a manual zap, essentially, right? It's a manual zap. So paste it in ChatGPT, paste the prompt in ChatGPT, get the reply on there, and then we have our own Google Sheets that we've created. So this is the original post, right? So the original post, this is the post text. This is Chris Koerner's team's response. And now this is our response. And so our response then gets manually posted into that Reddit, into that same Reddit. Let's see if I have something here that was posted. Find it. Okay. So it gets manually posted in here. Yep. There we go. Playful teaching. Okay. And then hopefully what happens is the same thing that's happening with Chris, is that people are seeing like, hey, you should check out Entrepreneur Life, which is mine. And then they come and then they repost it in here. I started this on 11/18. He started it on 11/5. He has 370 members. He's doing something. He's obviously doing it better than I am, but I'm piggybacking off of him, and now I have 25 in here, which it could be 10. It doesn't matter. It's proof of concept. It works. It's gone from 0 to now 25. His went from 0 to 370. It's proof that this works. And so bit by bit, we're going to keep doing this. We're going to try to grow this Entrepreneur Life community, and then we'll just see where it takes us from there. So I have the Entrepreneur Life. The little subject line in here is, do you have entrepreneurship running through your veins? This is the place to be. Startups, acquisitions, and everything in between. Only one rule: you are not allowed to share an idea without pairing it with a way to implement it. This is an active community of action takers, no pie in the sky ideas. So it's pretty general, but the idea is to grow this Entrepreneur Life community where then I can post stuff, I can gather ideas, I can share things, and where in this case then I am the judge, jury, and executioner. So Chris, thank you for such an awesome idea, and thank you for allowing me to leverage what you're doing in order to create something pretty cool. You're the man, and I hope to be as badass of an entrepreneur as you are. Appreciate it.